Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to open this Oppo Enco W51 headset. Lately, I'm having a lot of battery problems with this headset. I'll open this and see what battery it has and can be replace it. Initially, I used to get like 4 to 5 hours of battery. Now I'm getting only half an hour of battery. So let's see what battery it has. Can we change it? Yeah, let's get started. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and help me to get to 1000 subscribers. To open the headset, you need a sharp object like this one, and if you carefully put the sharp object between those two parts, you can easily open this. This is how it looks inside. There's a battery, there's a lot of wires connected to each other. There's also a something like a QR code here. I don't know what it is. I've tried to scan it under using the camera of the phone, but I got this random result. I was hoping to get the information of the battery right away, but I did not get it. So this is the battery. This is how it looks. Once you remove the two wires attached to it, you can see it is 3.8 watt battery and zero point 0.1 watt hour battery. I think 1045 is the image of the battery. I'm not sure about that. So this is how it looks. It is fully covered in this aluminum protection. I'm not sure if there is any more specification or details mentioned inside this aluminum protection. Anyway, I've found some courage and thought of, breaking it using a scissor. And this is how it looked. As expected, there is nothing inside but just the I think lithium and whatever the battery is made up of, that material. So yeah guys, this is how it looks. I don't think it is much repairable. I tried to search the battery using the specification in Amazon. I did not find any battery. So it is safe to say that yeah, this is not repairable. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.